Hey everyone, this is group 58, and our topic is augmented reality. Augmented reality is the integration of digital information with the user's environment in the real time. Based on its features, AI is more and more popular in our real life, such as entertainment, games, medical care, and so forth. When it comes to AR and VR, there are many differences between them. Virtual reality may require an external equipment through closed devices or goggles, and VR blocks out the room and puts our presence elsewhere. Unlike virtual reality, which creates a totally artificial environment, augmented reality uses the existing environment and overlays new information on top of it through sensors such as camera. Besides, augmented reality could give users more information based on current environment, and virtual reality could transpose the user to someplace else. AR system has three important features, including integration of real-world and virtual information, real-time interactivity, and it can add virtual objects into three-dimensional space. Thus, AR technology can be widely used in many fields. More and more AR apps are available on smartphones. The widespread use of smartphones is also an important reason why AR is so popular now.
There are four types of AR, and we will simply go through them in this section. The first one is marker-based AR. It applies image recognition to achieve the function. The marker can be an image or the corresponding descriptor. Need to be noticed is that the image to be recognized are provided beforehand. Port code, which is displaying at the video, is the example. You can notice that port code recognizes the image and it processes new virtual objects. Most of the nowadays applications dealing with image recognition are marker-based because it's much more simple to detect things and that are hard-coded in your application. The second type is markerless based application, AR. It recognizes things that were not directly provided to the application beforehand. The representation of this type of AR is Pokemon Go. Markerless based AR application is much more difficult than marker-based AR because it needs to deal with the patterns, colors, and some other features that may exist in the camera frame. The third one is projection-based AR. As its name indicates, it advances projection technology to simplify the complex manual tasks. One of the examples is Echo-Ray from Microsoft. It allows healthcare professionals to see and map peripheral veins on the skin surface with the goal of improving venipuncture. We will introduce it in detail in the next section. The last type of AR is superposition-based AR. It uses object recognition in order to replace an entire object or a part of it within an augmented view. IKEA catalog application applies this type of AR, which allows users to place virtual items of their furniture catalog of their rooms. This convenient service provided by IKEA helps them to gain a considerable profit.
Well, let's move on to the specific application. The application that we are going to talk about for augmented reality is the AV400 vein viewing system, which is a product of AccuVein company. This system is a typical application of AR in medical field. And as you can see from the picture, this device is in a small size which fits in your hand and it's about only 10 ounces weight. And there are some still other features. For example, this device can be used in light or darkly lit environments. Besides, this device is easy to learn and use. This device do not need pre-use calibration or adjustments. It can be used immediately. In addition, the device doesn't need to be plugged into an electrical outlet, which means the battery is rechargeable. What's more, this device has the feature of movement tolerant because the device shows the veins in real time. When operated properly, the device can accommodate patient movement. Since this device is so useful, what's the principle of it? This slide will demonstrate how it works. AccuVein uses two lasers. One is infrared. This invisible light is used to detect hemoglobin in veins. The second is red. This visible light is used to project the vein pattern. AccuVein looks at the invisible infrared vein pattern and uses advanced, real-time processing algorithms to detect the position of veins under the skin. It then reprojects the vein pattern back on the skin, forming a crisp digital image. Here is the scenario of why we're using this instead of the traditional one. Given that the patient who is an elderly or dark-skinned or even obese patient, as you know, for those patients, renal picture can be particularly challenging to find a suitable vein. Given this challenge, we think you will find vein illumination with AccuVein's breakthrough device as essential for renal picture as a stethoscope for examining the heart and lungs. Once put into use, the benefits of this device will become so evident. It will become part of the standard of care for all blood draws and IV starts.
In conclusion, AR enhanced the natural environment by adding sounds, videos, and graphics. It offers perceptual, enriched experience. It would be the future of design as AR can largely improve the user experience. In healthcare field, it can make surgery safer. AR's potential ability to concurrently display imaging data and other patient information could save lives and decrease medical errors. This is especially true for procedure done outside an operating room. For the future, AR technology could become a new approach of design and art. Meanwhile, it will widely be applied in gaming, healthcare, real estate, engineering, and retail fields. This is our reference. That's all. Thank you.